1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
Punctuation Part 6. The note of exclamation or exclamation mark. Exclamation marks are used for emphasis, excitement, surprise. For example, stop, get lost, wow, what a fine picture, how nice the bird is, what a beautiful flower the rose is, what a beautiful flower the rose is. Avoid using exclamation marks in your formal writing. Asterisk. In 1848, gold was discovered in America. Don't use an exclamation mark unless you're certain it's necessary, and never use 2 or 3 of them in a row. Asterisk. This is a sensational result.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.